We help women and girls
Be empowered.
yeah. Aside from being empowered, we also parang gusto namin tulungan sila para matupad ang kanilang mga pangarap.
And ano-ano ang mga pangarap ng mga kababaihan?
Ang dami. Kung pangarap lang ang pag-uusapan, napakadaming pangarap ng mga kababaihan natin. But basically, what we try to do is help women through education. Yung nakikita namin mga kababaihan na gustong magpursige at mag-aral pa para mabigyan ng magandang buhay ang kanilang mga pamilya in the future, yun yung tinututukan din namin at saka yun yung mga tinutulungan.
So, gaano katagal na po ito sa Pilipinas?
Actually, 49 years.
49 years!
And we will be celebrating our golden age ko na ngayon. Sa May of 2016. No, 2016.
At next year?
Yeah, next year.
Okay. So, 49 years. 49 years.
Yeah,
next
May
month.
5.
I see.
Sino ba ang mga members ng Sir Optimist? Like, kunyari kami, pwede po ba kami maging
yes.
member?
Of course.
And ano po ang pwede namin gawin?
Hindi ba kami late na?
No. You know, ang Sir Optimist dito sa Philippines, nag-range ang ages from 18 to
92.
95. Ang
18 to 95. I'm glad that the 18-year-olds are interested already.
Yes, starting. And most of them are actually daughters of Sir Optimist mothers na
And you have different branches all over the country.
We have 85 clubs so far throughout the Philippines, as far as up north in Ilocos and down south in Siargao.
And how often do you meet?
We have conferences every year, that's once a year, and then we have district meetings also wherein mga clubs belong to a particular district, so we have 13 districts right now. So normally we have district meetings also every year.
Kasi yung iba, once a week, meron silang the clubs.
Ang mga clubs,
they have
Once a
month.
And then, kung kunyari, gusto namin maging miyembro, may bayad dito.
We have membership dues because I suppose wala namang organization na nabubuhay kung wala
Yes.
tayo.
And okay lang sabihin kung magkano o hindi na lang?
Meron tayong website and a phone number
okay.
that they can, we have an office in Mandaluyong that they can get in touch for us, for them to know better about Sir Optimist.
But kayo yung mga, you are the officers?
I am the governor actually of the organization, which means parang national president.
Wow, congratulations!
Yes, thank you. And si Lenny Gorospe is my public awareness chair.
Wow.
So ano po yung mga upcoming projects ng Sir Optimist? Actually, international project that we have, which we are pushing now, is the Lead Your Dream. This is a project wherein we choose a nominee by the one who wants to pursue a college degree but cannot due to financial constraint. Usually, the clubs do their nominee, send their nominee to the region. The region sends it to SIA, which is Sir Optimist International of the Americas, and whoever wins it gets $10,000 for their tuition.
Yeah, so SIA is where? Where exactly?
In Philadelphia. Ang headquarters namin is in Philadelphia.
So are you connected to the Sir Optimist? I mean, you get to talk and meet with other Sir Optimists from all over the globe.
Yeah, every 2 years we have a convention. Yeah,
Wow,
just like
that's so
last year we
nice.
had one in Vancouver, and next year it's going to be in Orlando, Florida.
Wow.
And then for the Philippines region naman, as I mentioned earlier, we have conferences every year. So this one, for this year, it's going to be happening in Zamboanga City on May 14 to 16. May 14 to 16, of which I am from Zamboanga City. That's why, I look forward to all the members of Sir Optimist attending this conference.
Okay.
Meron kayong mga kasama pa na nandito? Meron ba yata
Hindi ko silang ngayon.
Yes.
Yung iba, yung dalawa sa kanila, or dalawa, nag-guest na, tatlo, nag-guest na sa amin. Yes.
Bakit po sila nandito ngayon?
Meron daw silang ibibigay.
Nakilala na natin.
Kakanta, bigyan ng
Siguro dapat tawagin mo rin natin. So, President, welcome to Rise and Shine. O, dito na lang. Dito po kayo.
Okay, let's all move.
Yan. Sino po ang gustong magbasa niya?
Actually, we're here to surprise you because Serapis International Serapis International of the Philippines Regions and Serapis International of Mandaluyong would like to appreciate your support. And because of the support and opportunities this program has given to Serapis International of Mandaluyong and the SIPR, we would like to honor and sincerely appreciate the women whose being part of this program made it possible for other women to learn and be empowered, and especially became part of Serapis' success and in helping a lot of women and young girls to improve their lives. To award the recognition for their responsible and fair involvement in reaching the lives of women through giving opportunities for women to lead in the media industry through their professional and personal efforts, which created astonishing transformation in the lives of women. Their program has had a meaningful impact and encouraged many.
Wow!
I'm so happy kasi nakita ko yung pangalan ng Bella Record. What is that? Wow! Thank you! Thank you very much.
Thank you po.
And to award the certificate for the channel and for the director and for the executive producer is Governor Myra and Public Awareness Chair of the SIPR, Ms. Lenny.
Yeah, so in behalf of the Serapis International of the Philippines region, thank you very much for the opportunity to be with you this morning.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Wow! Alam mo, nung sumaya ko dito sa Rise and Shine, ang dami-dami na natin awards. No, really, I'm so happy.
Thank you po. Thank you very
And of
much.
course, we have another round for
Yes, for Direct Liza.
And of course, the whole family of UNTV.
Yes, UNTV.
And of
Our
course,
executive producer.
yes, our executive producer. Okay, live kasi tayo, live.
Okay.
And of course, for Tita Peachy Baron, our executive producer. And thank you so much on behalf of Rise and Shine. I would like to thank each and every one of you.
And thank you all for waking up early and all being here. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Alright, wag po kayong maglilipat ng yung channel dahil magbabalik pa rin po